So you want to make your videos cinematic. There are 3 key steps to making your videos more cinematic: lighting, framing, and color grading. First, let's start off with the gear you need. You need a camera, any camera will do, a tripod, and finally yourself. Once you have these 3 things, we can talk about framing. When it comes to framing, you need to know the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is essentially the most important points within a frame. Once you have an understanding of the rule of thirds, it'll be easier to frame. Now let's talk about lighting. I know lighting can seem very scary or complex, but in reality, it's really not. It is very, very simple. When it comes to lighting, you need to make sure you follow this simple step. Don't overthink it. In reality, all you need is 2 lights, a key light and a fill light. Well, you don't know what a key light and a fill light is? Well, let me tell you. A key light is the main light that is hitting you or your subject, and a fill light is used to fill in the shadows. Also, a key thing on filmmaking is making sure your camera is not in the same plane as your key light. The reason for that is if your camera is in the same plane as your light, your subject or you will look flat in the image. Flat lighting is a great way to give your production value a thumbs down. For example, if your key light is on the right side of you, make sure your camera is on the left side somewhere. You always want to shoot from the shadow side. Now, you bring everything together by color grading. Color grading is a great way to make your videos stand out and have your own style. It is very important to understand color theory when it comes to grading. First step is to shoot in your camera's log picture profile. What this does is gives you the freedom to manipulate the colors when you are color grading. Log shooting is essentially the most important part to color grading. Then you need to convert that log footage to Rec 709. After you convert that log footage to Rec 709, you can now apply your LUT. A LUT is a lookup table which basically tells the colors what they should be. I may be coming out with a LUT on my own, so if you would like that, let me know down below. Now once you do all that, your footage is ready to be posted. I know it sounds simple, but this will take some trial and error, so give yourself some grace action. There's also one key thing I didn't mention in this video, and that is sound design, but I can talk about that in another video. Thank y'all for watching. Go out there and create. Peace.